Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you 9 different outfit ideas for spring that you could wear for picnics, a night out, and even for the summertime. Let's start off with the first outfit. Here I'm wearing a blue denim dress from Forever 21. I switched locations for better lighting. I'm accessorizing with a chain necklace and silver hoops. Outfit number 2. The top is from Abercrombie & Fitch. The shorts, I thrifted it. And for the shoes, I'm wearing these pink platform heels from ASOS. You can make your hair half up and half down so you can see the earrings more. If it's cold where you live, definitely recommend wearing a cardigan or something to cover up. I'm wearing the same top from earlier, and I paired it with the silk pink dress from Misguided because I wanted a pop of pink to match my shoes and my purse. Outfit number 4. This is the same silk dress from earlier, and I'm wearing the same accessories. The dress has like rigid cuts on the bottom, but I feel like it adds a little texture. This is an outfit I would wear for a night out. The top is a sheer blush top from Nasty Gal. I just changed the bralette so you can see the pink more. Outfit number 6. I'm wearing this scarf on my ponytail and the tank top that is skin color from Forever 21. The pants didn't have a label in the back, so I'm not sure where it's from, but it's super cute. Outfit number 7 is the same concept as the previous outfit, but this one we're wearing a white bralette and then some peacock print pants. Next up is outfit number 8, and I really love this dress because it has a slit in the middle that kind of elongates my leg since I am 4'11". You finally made it! We are on the last outfit. Here I got this dress from Urban Outfitters, and what I love about this dress is the little flower detailing, and it kind of reminds me of Tinkerbell.